Porn Brain Rewire 2022. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and I'm so psyched to have you with me on this channel for this new and awesome year. If you're back for more, I'm glad to see you back here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe, hit the notifications, because in this video, I'm going to tell you what content is going to be coming at you for this new year and how it's going to help you. Okay, so number one, what's going on with the content for 2022? First of all, I'm creating all new playlists, so it will be organized for you. There will be a playlist of the videos that are science-backed and motivational. They will be broken into two other playlists, just the science-backed videos, just the motivational videos. The motivational videos will come out at noon on Mondays. The science-backed videos will be available Wednesdays at noon. So we got Monday and Wednesday. There will also be podcasts that are available on all podcast venues that will be also available here on YouTube, the videotaped version. That will be available on Wednesday evenings. So there will be so much content there for you. It's going to help you through your journey. Those videos are designed to move you through a process so that you can understand the damages that pornography does to your brain and your life, become motivated and empowered to take the steps to be able to leave it behind and to heal your brain and get on purpose in your work, your relationships, and your hobbies. Those are what those videos are designed to do. They will have a brain tip strategy at the end of every video. You can get a journal. You can use it as your own personalized coaching program. I am here for you. This is what we're doing here on this channel. I get emails every day from people thanking me for the support that I was able to give them to leave porn behind forever. So I know that it works for some people. So stay there with me, use the videos. But if you need more support, I want you to know there's programs in different shapes and sizes at drtrishleigh.com that are available for you. If you're not able to use these videos and you're not being successful, that is how I help people in a personalized way. The programs are there for you to join. There's levels of service at different price points, one that likely fits your needs. So remember, it's there for you if you need it. Okay, there's two new playlists that I have planned for the new year. One is porn addiction trending topics. So there's topics that come to light in the news and in the community and in social media. I want to be able to shed a light on them and bring them to you. So first of all, you know that they're happening, but more importantly, so that you can learn from them. There's some big ones that I've already started that I already have planned for next week. So stay with me. Porn addiction trending topics and sex addiction in the news. We know hypersexuality is increasing every day, unfortunately, and that is creating problems for people every day. Again, not only do I want you to be aware that the things that you're hearing in the media actually are peeled back to layers of pornography consumption so that you can learn from it and so that you are inspired to leave it behind so you don't find yourself in a pickle like the people in the news are finding themselves. That is the goal, to learn and to move on. Okay, so you can stay tuned for all of those playlists. I'm so excited to be able to kick off the new year in an organized fashion and to be able to bring you the content that you need and that you deserve to have so that you can move into this new year as the best version of yourself so you can reach your full potential. And I am so glad to be here with you. Okay, so stay tuned because your first video is coming at you right now, and control your brain or it'll control you.